Hi everyone. I have this RC, which is the 10th scale HP chassis with the Land Cruiser LC80 ABS cover. I was designed previously a roof rack, which was like that. I didn't want to drill the body, so just hot glue it, and it's cool enough, but I didn't like the design and the roof rack keep falling, so I removed it. But after removal, I didn't like it again, because I love the design of a roof rack on my cars. Anyway, so I have this which is the MN82 or 72, 82, I think. Yes, it's an 82, and I did download this free copy. So I love the design, and I will try to copy it on my 3D software. I have just designed it, and now I will 3D printed it. Let's see. Yeah. Okay everyone, the printer is almost finished, and you will see the result after the cleaning of the print. I've done it. I know it's not perfect, but it handled the roof rack very well. So almost good. Okay, thank you. Subscribe if you love the content. Thank you.